Are you looking for a home in Little Falls, New Jersey? Well, if you are, you're gonna wanna check out this one. It is in such a great location, just a couple blocks from the Little Falls train station and walkable to the downtown area. You're 5 minutes from Willowbrook Mall, so if you want a great location and a great home, check this one out. Let's go inside and I can't wait to show it to you. Welcome to 75 Dewey Ave, Little Falls, New Jersey. This property has a lot of history. It's an historic farmhouse and one of the oldest homes in Little Falls, New Jersey. It was the original house, so it is set on a beautiful piece of property. As you walk into the home, you're gonna see a beautiful front porch. You also have a formal dining room, a spacious living room, which I'm standing in right now with a huge sectional, so you can really see that there's a lot of space in here for your family. Kitchen, laundry room, and you also have a home office or a kid's playroom, all on the first level. This home features 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. One of the bathrooms is connected to the primary bedroom. Now let's go to my favorite part of the house, the backyard. So right now I am lounging in the backyard of this beautiful home. We are sitting on the back pergola, which is huge, and it's such a great entertaining space. You have an above ground pool here and a spacious fenced in yard, and it's perfect to enjoy the privacy of your own backyard. It's Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo Group of Coldwell Banker. Thank you so much for coming on this tour with me of this beautiful home at 75 Dewey Ave in Little Falls, New Jersey. For a private tour, schedule an appointment with us today, and we can't wait to help you. If you know anyone who this home would be perfect for, make sure you share it with them. Give it a like, a thumbs up, and post some of the comments on your favorite part of the home. Make sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss a thing. We'll see you next time.